Good to see
Hello, this is your side.
I've taken it now.
Yeah, why does yours look like that? It looks like vomit.
I think I made a mistake.
It's on fire! It's on fire! It's on Hello everyone and welcome to the UEL Cook-Off. Today, I'm taking on Syed, who is a content creator and KSI editor. How you feeling?
1 second.
Where you going?
I'm feeling great. How about you?
Well, I see you had to come to my level, so I don't think your cooking's gonna be to my level though. The plan of action today is that we've got a bunch of ingredients underneath here. No idea how to use it, when to use it, what we're actually cooking, but it's me versus you.
Probably don't know half the ingredients myself. Like, what have you got this for?
You know you can't cook up there.
Come on, that's not fair.
All right, so to keep things fair, we're gonna be judged and mentored by our very own mob chef, Josie. Let's bring her in.
Right, hey up.
Hello, Josie.
Hello, darling.
How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay, what would be your ideal situation under this cloth?
Something easy.
To be fair, I can cook anything.
Okay. Here we go again.
Shall I let you know what's underneath?
Jumbo.
Right, you ready?
Go.
So do you know what this is?
I don't.
Okay, it's an eggs Florentine.
Oh, no, lies.
So we've got spinach on the bottom, we've got muffin, we've got our eggs, and then there's this sauce on the top. It's a hollandaise.
Do we need to make the sauce ourselves?
You do indeed, yeah. Tuck in.
Got a poached egg.
Yep.
Spinach.
And we want the eggs to be like nice and runny in the middle. So now you've had a little taste, I'm gonna just reveal what we've got underneath here.
Why we got 500 eggs? There was only one.
Well, that's the question. We've got a few red herrings in there to throw you off a little bit. We've not really been very kind on this one. The one thing that I will say though is start with your hollandaise first. You've got 30 minutes and your time starts now.
All right. Okay. So she said start with the sauce first, right? Salt, pepper. Do I mix it here?
Okay guys, so you've got bowls and whisk.
Oh, right.
And this is really important for your sauce. If you've heard of a bain-marie, that's what you need to do.
I have no idea what that meant. What is bain-marie?
I'm not telling you.
Think about your boiling water. What could we do with that boiling water, with that pan?
I think she meant like put it on the
I think
top.
this is looking quite good to me.
Hello, this is your side.
I've taken it now.
I think we're on the right track. We're doing it.
Tell me what you studied at uni.
I did video and film production for my BA, and then I thought, you know what, media's amazing. Let me do masters. So I did my master's degree.
Tell me about the passion of media and film. What made you go down that route in uni?
So basically, when I was in GCSE, my dad founded a TV channel. It was like a community TV channel, and I thought, like, you know, let me get into this industry.
Yeah.
Also, I feel like me as an Indian, there's
yeah.
not many people who do media. I want to do something unique. How is yours like thick?
Yeah, why does yours look like that? It looks like vomit.
I think I made a mistake.
Josie, come over. Come have a look at the foolishness he made.
Oh my days.
Maybe give it a go with the whisk. Do you know what? I'm just going to let you like freestyle it. I'm not going to give you too many more tips.
It's more experienced than me. I think it's fair if you can help me out.
Okay, maybe. But do you know what? That looks absolutely gorgeous.
I
so I think
put
you're
more
right.
cream.
Yeah, but
I don't think you need
if
my
he
help.
fails, he has to fail by himself.
I think you're doing stunning.
I was in the right track. I just had to put more.
No, you wasn't. You were
more
not.
cream.
You were not in the right track.
I put right ingredients.
So, what influenced you to get into?
Editing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so inspiration was like from my dad. Like obviously when he came to this country and all that as well,
Yeah.
he didn't give up at all. So he told me the same thing as well. Like if you're passionate about something, don't give up. One day you'll.
Yeah, don't give up on that. Put that back on. That's terrible.
I'll come back to that. I think I'm a bit behind. Even after master's degree, I was looking for jobs, right? And instead of just like...
Sorry, I'm going to interrupt you real quick, and I'm giving you one more tip for your sauce, and that is egg yolks. That's why you've got so many eggs there.
Where did my whisk
Yeah,
go?
And also,
where'd I put
you're
the-
halfway,
Right.
by the way.
You're halfway?
Yeah, no, like, I'm not trying to stress you out, but kind of am, so you need to hurry up.
Is it one egg yolk or two? I might put two because there's too many eggs.
What was your favourite thing about university?
Meeting new people. Like before uni, I felt like I was introvert, and university actually changed me.
So you became more
Extrovert.
extra. That's the
Introvert.
word. Yeah. So did you ever make something like this in university?
Nope.
How far was your breakfast? What did you make for breakfast?
Oh, I used to make like nice French toast and omelets.
Oh, okay. And you can't do this.
I made masala omelette as well. Yeah, French toast, I used to compromise and add my own twist to it.
What's
like,
that?
Make it like spicy.
That sounds fancy. You said you don't do fancy food. That's a bit of fancy. It's on fire. It's on fire. It's on.
Why are you so scared, man? It's all good.
He tried to burn me alive. That is the biggest sabotage yet. Hello? Don't be rude.
Let's taste
Oh
it.
no, I'm so sad. It was going so well. Oh, it still
Alright,
tastes better than yours.
Okay, guys, we've got 30 seconds. I need you to literally hurry up, give me some energy, and plate that all up nicely for me.
Jodie, I'm done.
Come on,
ready.
I'm
chop,
almost
chop,
done
chop,
as well.
chop, no
I'm
whinging.
just
Hurry up.
eating my Salt Bay.
Okay, guys, the time is up. I wish I could say I was excited to try this, but
No,
I'm
you
not gonna
are
lie.
excited.
It's
But mine is
No, you're excited
quite
to try this because that looks like.
Hold on. Let's clear it up.
How are you guys feeling about this challenge?
I think everything was amazing apart from the sauce.
Okay, what
Yeah,
about
the
you?
sauce was challenging.
But everything was challenging for Mo. It was just the sauce.
Hold on, look at that. It's like
That's
someone
amazing.
vomited on top of the.
I
Yeah.
did say the sauce was challenging. Don't make me repeat myself.
Do you know what? Props to you. We got 4 poached eggs out of that. So yeah, should I just try?
Go for it. No, try mine first. Hello,
I'm
don't
a
waste
guest
your
to it.
time. Try mine first. Try mine.
Okay, I'll try this. Okay,
No,
fine.
try
We'll
the
try
worst.
this one. All right, let's go for it in there. Okay. Do you know what? Well done. Fair play. That yolk, pretty good. Just try a little bit of that. It's really buttery, which it's supposed to be. It's
I
not
like
quite a
butter.
hollandaise, but you know what? You've got like the key elements there. I don't think that's
Great.
too bad. Is it seasoned? That's also a key thing. Yeah, it is quite crisp. Like, I don't hate it. Do you know what? I think it looks worse than it tastes.
I did the spinach more crispy on purpose.
Yeah, okay,
Because
I
I
like
like
that.
it.
Creative, off the
Yeah.
cuff.
No, trust me. All right, let's see hers.
Yep, okay.
She's being too arrogant now.
That is disgusting.
That's
Wow.
actually a really good egg, to be fair.
Boy.
The hollandaise on the top look like scrambled eggs,
You
and that's
sabotaged me.
because you put your white in and not
Yeah.
the yolk. So,
So
but
did I win when it comes to sauces?
yeah, you definitely won on the sauce. You definitely won on the eggs.
What? But he
Yeah.
overcooked it.
Thank you.
Yeah, but I feel like it's giving it a bit
No,
of a
I
je ne sais
see
quoi.
bias. Like, what? That's
Yeah, I like it. Okay, do you know what? This is gonna be my winner.
Yes!
Yeah, I'm really sorry.
His egg is overcooked. His spinach is overcooked.
blah, blah,
But it's
blah,
got
blah,
that
blah,
nice
blah,
taste
blah,
going
blah.
through it.
No,
you
it
know?
doesn't.
Listen to the professional. I appreciate you.
The best part of
Can
this
I do the
dish,
outro because I won?
the best part of this dish is how the egg tastes.
I asked for a hollandaise, not a scrambled egg.
Anyway,
That
this
was
will
not
go
even a
forever,
hollandaise, though.
guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. Join us again next time with Mo the chef, professional chef. And thank you for coming. Nice try, by the way. And also, thank you, UEL, University of East London, for having us. And even though...
Hello, my food is perfect. Don't you ever disrespect.
And you got egg there as well, like cleanliness. Like, you know, would
Yeah.
you eat in a restaurant where you have like dirty surface?
Probably not.
We're in a kitchen. If she lets me win, you're just gonna expose your short.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna leave
and we
you
don't want anyone
to
to
it,
see that
okay.
No,
happening.
come on, man. She's
110%.
professional.
Like, you burn everything. You don't win by
She
burning
liked
stuff.
it. She liked it. It was on purpose.
Thank you, UEL. Thank you,
for
Mod
coming.
Kitchen.
Thank you for
And
coming.
I
Bye.
hope everyone has a good day today.